Kulumka jotono norni buskango ko kaham to pay fight ngo yak bayak foundation ngi chung hai motivational session tai career good no te sam khainai tabuk ni chini buskang ni pandang kha 22nd August 2021 norgor nukna chini India ni time 4:30 wo engke abong kha zoom ni bising ting nai engke abo attend khane bagai or Google link reject tongo ke narung nuk nai ajagawa https://tinyurl.com/career-group-session ke ajaga thangin rok registration khaidi ke ching sab rogawo registration khaike benefit nai ba chanai khai of course student belaina nangkongmani student rok nangnai tai boroni parents tai teacher rok angkai naruna sing kabugo attend khaini bagai ke je boro registration khainai borona sing zoom ni link rohnai event ni sekang ke sungbai direct la interaction khaimanai angkai all session ni bagai ang borok to kha naruna sai khinarnai kisa boroni brief introduction angkai all tebo educational tai different background ni bagai chung collect khaikya diverse field ni bagai ingke chini puila ni kok sanai ingka borong gana ang Mr. Santos Pikas Tripura botabu Australia botongo bini experience ke indigenous studies Norway country wo tai United Nations be samung khaima rok tai currently botabu ke bo public service Department of Health Australia samung khai tong ke chung bini thani kabang ma serna tongo bini career path bo boron theke bosugu sawikya getai tam rok scope tong chini general line of porne rong ni bagai tai boti khia ke scholarship rong ni rok amti rok sing idea nai man nai ge kha khayo nor bo ko ma serang man nai hine ge second hingai chini speaker kha ani na friend ani medical college ni friend tong mani botabuk Dubai samkhai tongo head of the department anesthesiologist ge bini thani ke chung especially je doctor medical student ba aro doctor khai tongai young career rok borok jodi no explore khaina musung kha je India ni degree ni bising tina je borok job rok khaina ni hinke UAE Dubai area rok tam rok nang buni experience rok ba share khaimano sung kaham chini skill no kaham khaina bagi hinge chung phataro thangai knowledge exchange ba training nana nango gabon pore ni jini jaga phan kifli phai sar phaidi ba mohai rok khainen bisingtei jengte bo serang manai hingai experience gaining nai plus earning bo kaham nai ga o area tei sung sai manai Dr. Upadhyay ni khub ke taki sa chini speaker ke boke bobo India ni no ani kaisa friend ke Maharashtra ni ke bongke public health sing joto na khana ka pandemic ni bisingte bo PhD khaika epidemiology or masters bo khaika USA no tai PhD bo ke chin bin thani sirang man oro public health ni career options ke PhD but our scientist ke doctor je patient chimi naine amuya doctor ba ke scientist man amrok saiman nang saimani mano tai botawo research fellow khai tong ge bini research ni tibo idea khai man je borok research ni interested abrok bin thani ka man sirmi man nai inke finally angkok sanai ge ani background to paksa saiman na je ang India o doctor khaikya tai o jaga o ang masters khaikya public health nang bo khaikya preventive care ni tei ke public health to chini belai kino nang ko man nok saiman sing abrok salai nai inke tai ang post doctor fellow khaikya inke tai tabo angoro practice khaikya ngo as a faculty inke ang o jaga o doctor line chimiya tai nurse, pharmacy, physiotherapy, and the related question don't cover on admission tirok sanai inke job ni scope rok busai kinanai plus tam rok nang am hairok bokok no share khainai inke America ni bhataro je Canada ba Australia ro nurse ro option rok sai kinanai especially Australia o nurse ni job belai kino demand tai angnani ba saktu gya gamrok sai kinanai je jung kawama boroma saimenia je nurse na bagai nang general line ni phano je switch khai career switch khai mano tai job ni demand belai kaham pay bo kaham gamrok jung share khainai ke jung kha khayo je information bagai narok information ni bising te serengi manai motivation ngai khaba sanai hinai tamle hangba chung nuk jawo je chung sarai pur rogo chin ampi he suk scoop kuri chin ara suk sinai nuk nai kare chung jot mane ni niji ke masima bagi chung tawo internet ni go advancement bising te or tongwi na chung narok kerengi mana ngai inge kha khayo narok joto no attend khainai hinai norok ni interest phunu ka hangke norok ni participation ka hangke chung puskang salabo mahai te tu khainai hainu hai norok no phunu ka link aro ang kabogo norok no thangre fill up khaiji ni je borok phunu karonai form fill up khaimi angke chung record bo khaini ni try khaina sin session no olo recorded version phunu nai inke tini asing no malalai nai 22nd August Indian ni 4:30 ni time mo hambai Kulumka.